Welcome to the Snow Globe pen tutorial, you guys. This is a brand new kit from Resin Rockers. We can't show you how to make these pens. It is so fun. These come with 10 silver pens to get started. You're gonna get some glitter, a glitter spoon. These just show you the different finishes, but you'll get 10 silver, your syringe, and then some Magic Flow from Two Moms Craft Shack. So everything you need in the kit. You're also going to get a 10-gram bottle of the soft coat, which is recommended to put these pens back together when you're finished. They write really, really nice. Ballpoint pen, you guys, these are so nice. You can even glitter the barrel if you want to. They're easy to disassemble and easy to reassemble. Now let's go ahead and do a chunky glitter with dot glitter. I want to show you guys how easy it is to do these. So we're going to take our empty barrel, we're going to take our syringe, and we're going to fill it up with our Magic Flow solution. And again, this all comes in the kit. We're going to put about an inch in the bottom. We're using a little craft clamp to use a hands-free solution here, you guys. Take your little glitter spoon, and we're just simply going to layer glitter solution, glitter solution. Give it a good shake, make sure you get all those air bubbles out, and top it off with solution. And then we are going to go ahead and get this silicone plug ready to go inside this Snow Globe pen. So we are going to go in at the side. You want to squeeze it and go in at the side while you're pressing down. That will allow the air to escape so that you have a nice tight seal. Now we're going to finish this off with some soft coat around the entire rim. Not only will it give you an airtight seal, but it's also going to make sure that your pen does not slide apart, you guys. This does not screw together, it slides together. So to give it a nice good rubbery tip, we want to make sure we use that soft coat. You want to go ahead and press that barrel back in there, and you want to do it really hard. If you happen to apply too much soft coat, just give it a really good nudge. It'll kind of shave off what it needs to, but you can take it apart when you're done to refill it. The soft coat gives you a nice flexible seal, so it is definitely flexible. Look how cute these are, you guys. These are so fun to make, and they are so easy. I hope you love them as much as we do. Don't miss out on this awesome starter kit.